Let's do some self-healing for this supermoon weekend. Okay, take a moment to breathe in deeply and just let it go. Close your eyes and bring one hand across your forehead and the other hand in the back of the head, down by that crevice. Take another deep breath. Let go. Just let go. Warm up your palms a little bit and just gently cover your eyes. Soothe the eyes. Breathing in and out at your own pace. Now come to the jaw. Let the jaw relax. Breathing in and out again at your own pace. And now coming off the throat, nurturing the thyroid, this place of communication, and speaking truth. Another breath in and just let go. Bring the palms right to the center of the chest. Let the fingertips meet in the middle of the chest. You're working with lungs, thymus for the immune system. Breathing in deeply, again letting go. One hand over right between the breast area, working with the heart energy center. Breathing in and letting go. Sliding down one hand at a time right across that solar plexus area. Holding liver, gallbladder, pancreas, spleen. A very powerful area with major organs. Breathing in and letting go. Sliding down just below the navel, right across the pelvic area. Honoring this center of power, creativity, birthing life, and equally important, birthing your own creativity here on Earth. Now take your palms and let them just act as radar dishes and literally beam the energy down to your feet for grounding, sinking into the support of the earth. Feeling safe and supported. Bringing your palms up, right behind you, right over that kidney area. Nourishing this main energy source for us. Kidney and adrenals. Supporting this area that provides us so much energy every day. Breathing in and letting go. Coming up, crossing over, fingertips touching the shoulders, encouraging them to just let go. We're also crossing the left and right brain, integrating those two powerful arenas to help us heighten our brain capacity. Coming back up to the face, and we're just going to be off the face a little bit as we take a moment to hold the human and divine preciousness of all of our being. Remembering we are both matter and spirit. Coming back again right between the breast, the heart center, the heart energy center. Breathing in deeply, letting go. And remember that when too much comes into the heart, upsetment or sadness, you can just open the back door, let it out the back of the heart and not hold on to it. Again, coming right between the breast area, holding all of your being in love, honor, and reverence as you are in this moment in time. Again, another deep breath and let go one more time. Easy and effective self-healing that you can practice anytime you need a little boost. This is Elsie Kerns, your Overwhelm Warrior. If there's a way I can help you in your journey, reach out to overwhelmwarrior.com. Thank you.